Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, August 6th, 2009. This morning I wanted to go through a way to look at multiple things in a single browser at a time, and that's to use the View option. So if I'm looking here at my class and I have the possibility that I want to look at a different class or up the hierarchy and I want to not interrupt my editing session, I can do this. View, New View, and nothing seems to change, but if I go to the View menu, you now notice that there are two views here. So let's go back to the original one. And I'll add a category here called API. I'll start typing a method, and I won't finish. I'll be in the middle of editing this, haven't accepted it. When we go over here to view my test, so I want to look up the hierarchy. I want to go up to object, I want to look at this method for some reason and see what it's doing, and then I want to be able to come back to this and start editing my code, but I want to be able to flip back and forth. I don't want to lose my edit. So I can do that. I can come back over here, and now I'm back in my editing session, and then I can flip back over here, and I'm in the hierarchy. And I can add new views all I like. I can go in and add a third one, and then I can come back here to package in this one, start looking over here at this method for some reason in this class, and again, go back to my original editing session and start adding my code. So, I don't know, something like foo greater than bar, and answer that. Not that this is a great method, but you get the idea. I can flip views without having to interrupt my editing session. Now let me close this for a minute, because there's a way of getting this in a somewhat more convenient fashion. If I go to the parcel manager, now I bring this over into the view, and I go over to environment enhancements. Down here there's RB tab toolsets. And what it does is it takes the views and puts them in tabs. So if I load this, close that, let's go back and open a browser again. And we'll go back down and find my package. So I have this. Let's go in here. And let's go and do a new view. And you notice the difference now, it adds a tab up here. So now I can flip back over here, start editing that again, come over to this one, go up to the hierarchy, then flip back and forth to the tabs. It's a little more convenient. I don't need to be flipping back and forth. And you notice the little asterisk there, just like I had in the view menu. And you see it's also there in the view menu. So I can flip back and forth this way. That's not removed. It's just different. So I have the tabs here to show me where I am. This is a little more convenient than the view menu, but it's the same functionality, just enhanced a little bit. So you can see that you can get multiple views in a single browser. You don't have to go with the classic Smalltalk 9 gazillion browsers and inspectors open on the screen thing. You can moderate that if this is your preferred mode of development. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.